Who brought that to you?
Chocolate and and gum.
You have magic ghosts in your
I
house.
got some. Yeah.
They
Mommy.
My shoes and
You
the
did?
FOTB.
What'd you get, Jackson?
The tail.
What?
Put on my shoes.
And balls.
So that is with my shoes, I'm sure. Silver.
Who brought you Bubbles?
I'm Santa Claus today. And chocolate.
Did you check all the luggage?
Boo-boo soccer. Mommy, boo-boo
Yeah.
soccer.
You got a boo-boo ball just for you.
So did Kai-Kai, but it's like a boo
Chocolate in
stick.
it. Oh,
No, she got a
what kind is
boo-boo. Jackson got a boo-boo ball.
that? Very good.
Mommy,
What's
Yeah.
I
Kai-Kai?
got chocolate and
Alright,
two, yeah.
You
Yeah,
did?
lollipop.